Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys here. It's good to be with you. It's nice to have you checking this out. Tell all your friends about this channel and how it can help you with your careers. We're looking forward to doing more. Today we're going to talk about cookies. What are cookies? No, that's not the cookies we're talking about today. Think of a website as a store, and in some of these stores they have cookies and some don't. And if you go into the store, they offer cookies. The store owner will put some cookies into your bag, and in this case, the bag is the computer. The cookies will store information such as your language, your preferences, your items that you've saved, and the last time you had visited. The cookies will also start leaving crumbs behind as you start looking through the store. Because the cookies and the crumbs you left behind, the store will now have information about where you were and where you went in the store. So next time you go back to that store or that website, the store owner can recommend products based on the information they have about you. And that's basically it about cookies. Thanks for checking us out. Check out our YouTube channel. We have a lot more things to talk about. We have a lot more information for you, especially about careers. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. But most of all, don't forget to share. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our sites below. We got some links below for you to check out. Have a great day.